Problem number 20. Let me go here. The correct arrangement of the fractional numbers 17 by 25, 17 by 13 and 17 by 19, right, 17 by 27, right. So we are supposed to work and as well as we are supposed to find the ascending order, right. Arrangement we need to make it as an ascending order. So now observe, this is going to be 17 by 25, right, then 17 by 13, right, 17 by 19, right, 17 by 27. Let us take, because the denominator is different, it is unlike fraction. So what you can do, you can take a LCM for 25, 13, 19 and 27, right. Now start working on it, right. So nothing is dividing here. So instead of going for LCM, you can directly divide and work also. So let us take this 17, because it will go with a bigger number. So go with this 17, that divided by 25. So 25, 0. So I'll place point, I'll place and 0 I'll take. 25 5s are 25 6 are 25 6 are 150, right. 20 is remainder, I can take 0, 8s are, right, 200. So this will become 0. I'll write here 0.68, right. Let me go with the 17, that divided by 13. So 13 1s are 13, right. So 4, right, I'll take a decimal point. So 13 3s are 49, right, 39, right. 1 I can take 0, again I'll place 0 and 0. 13 7s are 91. I'll stop here, that is 1.307. This will be 1.307. Next is 17 by 19. I'll go 17 by 19. I can't divide 17, so take a decimal point here. 19 8s are 9s are 9 9s are 81, right. So approximately 9 8s are 9 8s are 9 9s I'll take. So 9 9s are 81, 1 8 carry, 9 1s are 9 plus 8 is 17. So approximately, which is going to be 0.89 something will come, right, 0.89, right. Then last one is 17 by 27. I'll go, right. So I can't divide, take a 0. 27 4s are 27 5s are, let me take, right. 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13, 6 are I can take now, right. 6 7s are 42, right. 4 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 4 16, right. 10 minus this is going to be 8. So I can't divide, so take a 0 here. 27 3s are 7 3s are, this is approximately 81 will come. So 0.62 you can take, 0.62. So now, so 0.62 which is less than 0.68, so which is less than 0.89 and which is less than 1.307. Now we are supposed to place in a ascending order. This is the ascending order, right. So we are supposed to start from the smallest to bigger number, right. 0.62 which is nothing but 17 by 25, right. So then 0.68, not, see, 0.62 is 17 by 27, so which is less than 0.68, that is 17 by 25. So again, which is less than 17 by 19, then 17 by 13. So now check out here, 17 by 27, 17 by 19, no, 17 by 13, no, 17 by 27, 25, 19, 13. So option B is the right one.